Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to manage user time on SentryPC. So first, in your dashboard, go to Time Management. Then next to a user, you want to change the time management. Click Edit User. Now enable the time management. And here you have alert user X minutes before expiring. So let's say 30 minutes before the timer expires. Resets every Monday. You can change to any weekday. Maximum hours for the week. Here you can change the maximum hours. So for example 49 Monday maximum hours. So here you can change the maximum hours for every day. So let's say 6. Okay, I clicked 6, so let it be 6, and you can change it for every weekday. Now you can apply these settings to additional users. So that's it. Don't forget to save your settings and see you in the next one.